Microsoft wants you to relax before Windows 11 launch with new startup sound. Microsoft is holding a Windows 11 event on June 24th. The company has released an 11-minute video to help you relax. The video has startup sounds from different Windows versions, all slowed down by 4,000%. CEO Satya Nadella said the event is meant for the next generation of Windows. Windows 11 is expected to be released later this month, although it may take some time to get out to users. Windows 11 is definitely happening. There are several pieces of evidence pointing to that, Nadellas said in a recent conference. The new Windows 11 is going to bring a complete overhaul to the design of the operating system. This visual revamp will finally say goodbye to the Windows 95 era icons, while there will be some other elements that will make the OS look a lot more modern. Microsoft had already killed the Windows 10X hybrid platform last month. The Windows 11 operating system may also bring a revamped Microsoft Store, previously known as Windows Store, for the distribution of apps on the platform.